Hi, it's Claire from Couture and I'm going to show you how to crochet the loop stitch. I'll also show you how to make the loops a different length. And I use this stitch on a lot of our toys and also some homewares. So here we go. At a point in your pattern where it asks you to make the loop stitch, just simply pop your hook through the next stitch and grab the yarn. There we go, and pull that through your stitch. So you now have two loops on your hook. You now want to bring the loop to the front, just pop that down there. We yarn over and we pull that through the two loops to secure. And that is one loop stitch complete. Now let me show you how to make a loop stitch of a different length. So it's just the same. We start off just the same and we go through, oh, what happened there? We go through the next stitch. Now at this point you could make the stitch really long like that, or you could make it much smaller like that. It really depends on how you want the loop stitch to be in your pattern, but regardless, we grab it and we pull that through the stitch. So we have two loops on the hook. We pull the loop down to the front and then we yarn over. Ooh, where's it gone? We then yarn over and complete the stitch, securing the loop in place. And that's it. That's how you make the loop stitch. Now to make the loop stitch a different length, we simply make the stitch like before. So we put our yarn, our hook through, we grab the yarn, but if you want a really long loop, so to make the loop a different length, you can just move your fingers about. So if you want a really long stitch, you'll have your fingers like this. If you want a really short stitch, you'll have your fingers like this. And let me show you what I mean. So let's make the loop stitch like before. So we put our hook through the next stitch and look, you can make it different sizes before you grab it. Make the size before you grab it and then pull that new stitch through the loop. Bring your loop that you're working on to the front. Now that's huge, that one, so we'll just pop that huge one down there, and all we do is simply yarn over and pull that through the two loops on your hook to secure. So you can now see that we've got one one super duper loop, and then we've got some much smaller loops next to it, and that is how you crochet the loop stitch. If you like the video, please do subscribe down below, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.